Hey everyone, it's Tammy Pally, aka the Crafty Princess, and I have an unboxing. I have taken this box out of a much larger box that had all kinds of really good padding around it. This is a customized Blythe doll that I purchased from a Russian artist. And yeah, so bear with me. I've got my tripod here so that I can have two hands. And so far, this is pretty nice, the packaging. Looks like hopefully she arrived safely because she did a really good job packing her up. I had unboxed this was flipped like that. So I took her out and I thought, you know what, I'll go ahead and put the camera on. Alright, so wow. Alright, so we have a card here that says Funny Funny Doll. This is the artist that I purchased her from, and I did ask some questions and go back and forth with her a little bit because I didn't know anybody that had purchased from her before. I did actually contact one of the people on her small list of buyers that were on Etsy and talked to her as well and got a good rating from her and everything. So let us see what happens. She has this is padded. Ooh, I see a foot in there. Very nicely wrapped. This feels like leather suede here. There she is. Oh, how cute. She's darker skinned than I expected, but I like that. Okay, her hair is a mohair reroot. Oh, she's very pretty. Oh, this hair is super soft. Cute. Very nice clothing. Yeah, the quality of this is well done. Nice shoes. Sorry about that. There is her face. I'll get some of the fuzzies out of her eyeballs there. Her eyelashes are very fluffy. Oh, look, she even has little earrings. Everything's closed up well. Signed on the back, number 17. All right, let's try out her eyes. Obviously, oh, they just popped open. Those are very pretty. They're kind of a sparkly green. Those are a side, kind of bluish, greenish. Let's see. A brown. Hopefully her eye's gonna stay open. Inside, greenish again. Wow, so she's super cute. And I was hesitant about eyebrows when I first started seeing artists do eyebrows. And some eyebrows I've decided I like and some I'm not too thrilled about. I like hers. She kind of has a little bit of an attitude. So, yeah, she's on a posable body. Oh, interesting, her hands here. I want to see if they have extra hands. Oh, yeah, so there's a little pocket with stuff in here. This is a little, ooh, a hat. How cute is that hat? Gotta put the hat on. she's very pretty. I'm very impressed. I like the subtleness too of the, there's some freckling here, but not like a ton. Her lips are super cute. A cute little sweater. Oh, hands, good. Okay, I was just wondering. I was like, So, sorry for the crinkling, but we have extra hands. I'm very, very happy with her. I'm a little concerned, these eyes, are they going to stay open? Let's see here. Girl, what's going on, girl? There we go. Yeah, okay. I think I have the camera at an odd angle, so I'm holding her down, and that's making her eyes close a little bit, but they do seem to be staying open. Am I doing the right? That one. Oh, there we go. All right, so I had to pull a little bit more to get those. Now she is, this is a fake doll. This is not a Takara stock doll that was customized. So, but it is, her scalp looks really good. I mean, if I dig in there, I can see the rooting, but clearly it's plenty thick enough. And I really like the color. So, wow, super cool. So let me put her down there. I'll show the artist card again. And yeah, I'll leave it here. I will do obviously a follow-up video of some kind, but I'm so excited. This is my third custom doll. I've been very hesitant to purchase them. This girl, wow, I'm definitely going to keep an eye on Funny Funny Doll. She's on Etsy, and I would definitely purchase a doll from her again, no problem. This is an amazing doll. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. Look for some future dolly videos. Make sure you hit the icon, little bell thingy, and of course, thumbs up are appreciated, right? Yeah, here, give me a thumbs up, yeah. And I will talk to you later. Bye.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it.